Now, in the morning, she needs to eat, but it's so cold she can't move her legs. Her spring-loaded tongue, however, still works. With her body temperature still only 5 degrees Celsius, the chameleon becomes more mobile and climbs up to bask in the sun. She is pregnant, and soon her temperature reaches 20 degrees Celsius, which gives her the energy she needs to give birth. Most chameleon species lay eggs, but here it's too cold for an egg to develop in the open, so she produces live young. It takes just an hour for her to give birth to 6 baby chameleons. One of the advantages of life on the frozen peaks is that there are fewer predators here and less competition for food. As the sun sets, the temperature falls to below 0 in a matter of minutes. To escape the nightly freeze, they need the cover of thick vegetation. A young chameleon caught out in the cold will quickly lose its ability to move and may well die. Most, however, react instinctively and find shelter as quickly as they can.